With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is, the spinel structure consists of an array of oxide ions in FCC arrangement. General formula of spinel is Ab2O4. Cations of A occupy 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids and cations of B ions occupy half of the octahedral voids. If oxide ions are replaced by x to the power minus 8 by 3 ions, then number of ionic vacancy per unit cell will be 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now here you have to see, here the ions to be replaced are oxide ions, and the ions which will replace oxide ion are minus 8 by 3, x to the power minus 8 by 3. Therefore, charge on this ion, charge, that is minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 means what? Minus 2 by 3. So, which is greater than minus 2, which is on oxygen. Therefore, it clearly shows that when we replace oxide ions by this, we will get anionic vacancy. Anionic or anion vacancy. We will get anion vacancy. Therefore, from anions we can find out the ionic vacancy. Ionic vacancy is not cation, only anion, because the ion with which we are replacing oxide ions, they have the charge more. Now let us see. We'll replace with n x to the power minus 8 by 3 ions. For example, n ions will replace. Now here for unit cell we have, because it is FCC, oxygen in FCC, therefore atoms per ions per unit cell and ions per unit cell will be O2, 4 O2 minus. Since it is FCC, therefore O2 minus ions per unit cell is equal to 4. Now let us find out 4 oxide ions is equal to how many x minus 8 by 3 ions. Let it is n. Therefore n into x minus 8 by 3. So 4 oxide ions is equal to n x minus 8 by 3 ions. Therefore here let us equate the charge. Here how much it is coming? Because as a whole the crystal must be, unit cell must be neutral. Therefore it is minus 8. Implies minus 8 is equal to n into minus 8 by 3. Now here it is minus 8. Minus 8 cancels out. Therefore n is equal to how much we are getting? 3. Therefore in place of 4 oxide ions, 3 x to the power minus 8 by 3 ions are sufficient. Therefore what will happen? We will have one vacancy. We will have one anion vacancy. So let us diagrammatically see this. We are having 4 oxide ions. Here we are having how many oxide ions? 4. So 2 minus, 2 minus, 2 minus, 2 minus. So we have replaced this with x 8 by 3, this with x 8 by 3, this also we have replaced with x 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3. Now this is now vacant. Therefore there will be one anion vacancy. Hence option 1 is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.